is Maria Muzarowska and I'm representing Dixcart's office in Malta. During Bosco Online Workshop that will happen on the 27th of May, I will be speaking about asset protection structures, in particular Malta private foundations as a private wealth structuring instrument. Please join me to find out more about private foundations. I will try to compare them to trusts, to speak about process and the requirements to set up Malta foundations, as well as tax benefits for such structures. I look forward to seeing you all on the 27th of May online to be able to discuss and answer your questions regarding Malta private foundations. Please stay safe and see you soon.